Alright, let's sketch this polynomial function. So with this one, for you to sketch the polynomial function, first of all find the roots of this given polynomial. So number one, it is the roots. So how do you find the roots? By trying out different values of x, okay? So that you can get a 0 to find those factors over the given polynomial. So let's try. For x is equal to 1, f of 1 is will be given by we have 1 cubed plus 4, 1 squared minus 8, 1 minus 8. So this is 1 plus 4 minus 8 minus 8. This is a 5 minus 8 minus 8. This is minus 3 minus 8, which is going to give you minus 11, which is not equal to 0. So x minus 1 is not a factor. Okay, let's try now. X is equal to -1, and let's substitute the -1 in the given polynomial. Minus 1 cubed minus 4 minus 1 squared minus 8 minus 1 minus 8. This is -1 plus 4 plus 8 minus 8. This is going to give us 3, okay, which is not equal to 0. So x plus 1 is not a factor. So next we will try +2. Let's try +2. So let's x be equal to +2, and then find f of 2. What are we getting? We have 2 cubed plus 4. We have a 2 squared minus 8, and the 2 there, minus 8. Okay, then we should have this is 8 plus 4 by 4 minus 16 minus 8. This is 8 plus 16 minus 16 minus 8. So this is going to give us a 0. So then this means that x, this was x plus, this is x is equal to 2, so it should be x minus 2 is a factor of what? F of x. So let's look for other factors. So what you do, you can continue substituting, okay, and in case there isn't any other exact factor, then you are doomed. So what you do, you simply divide, okay, the given polynomial by the factor that you have found, so that you can find other factors. Okay, so let's divide, and we're going to use synthetic division. So you can say divide x or f of x by x minus 2 by the found factor. Okay, we're going to using synthetic division. Okay, using synthetic division. So what we're going to synthetic division, if you first write your given polynomial, which is x power 3 plus 4x squared minus, in descending powers of x, 8x minus 8. Now nothing is missing here, and then you write your factor equal to 0, so that your x will be equal to 2. Then you write this precious table, okay, the format of synthetic division, like this. At this point, you're going to put the value of x, which is 2. Then here you're going to put the coefficients over the given polynomial. From the highest, which is 1, from the highest degree, 1, 4, then 4, then minus 8, then that over constant, negative 8. Once you write the constant, you close it out with this line. So the first step is you drop this 1 here, drop it down. Okay, let's have a 1 there. Then it will be this 1 times 2. What you get? You get a 2. You write a 2 here. Okay, you bring the 2, the product, this is multiply. You get whatever you get, product, you write it here. And then you add now. Okay, plus 4 plus 2. You get plus 2, you get 6. Okay, you get a 6 there, and then you multiply again. 6 times 2, you get a 12 there. Write a 12 there. Then you add negative 8 plus 12, you get a positive 4. Okay, then this positive 4 times this 2, you get negative 8, positive 8. Then positive 8, negative 8 plus 8, you get a 0. Okay, here you should always get a 0 whenever you are dividing by a factor, okay, by remainder and factor theorem. So that's what you have. We have that. So the quotient is going to have these coefficients, these ones here, with a degree less than 1 degree less than that of a given polynomial. So this will be x to the power 2 plus 6x, then plus 4. Okay, so the intuitive step, the next step is now to factorize this. Okay, but now when you look at this one closely, you can't factorize it. Okay, you cannot factorize this. So what do you do if you can't factorize it? You're going to solve it. So let me write first our given polynomial as a product of its factors x. We should have x minus 2 and x squared plus 6x plus 4. Yeah, so to find the values of x, we equate these factors: x minus 2, x squared plus 6x plus 4 equal to, we're going to equate this to 0. And when you do that, we know that our x is equal to 2, and our x squared plus 6x plus 4 is equal to 0. But we do not know what don't we know? We can't find if we try to factorize, product is 4, the sum is 6. Two numbers, when you add, you get 6. You multiply, you get 4. We don't have. So what do? You use the quadratic formula: minus b plus or minus square root over b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Okay, with our a being 1, our b being 6, and our c being 4. Substitute. Our b is 6 plus or minus square root of 6 squared minus 4. What is our a? 1. Our c? 4 over 2, 1. So this is minus 6 plus or minus, okay, square root, okay, 36 minus 16 over 2. So this is going to give us minus 6 plus or minus square root of 36 minus 16, we should get a 0 there, and a 2 over 2. Yeah, so we can have 6 plus or minus, remember this is 4 times 5, okay, over 2. But in case you can't express it in this form, you can just keep the 20 there, the square root of 20. But from here, this means that I can have square root of 4 times the square root of 5 and over 2. Okay, so this is equal to minus 6 plus or minus 2 root 5, everything over 2, which you can write as minus 3 if I divide by 2 throughout, plus or minus 2 into 2, 1, square root of 5. Okay, this is my x. So the x values, 1 is going to take minus 3 plus root 5, and x will take minus 3 minus root 5. Okay, so it is important for us to notice whether this is a negative or positive value. Okay, so minus 3 plus root 5 is negative 0.76764. okay, and the other one is negative, 5.236. okay, these are the roots. And the other root was x was equal to 2, if I can remember. X was equal to 2, yes. So these are the given roots. So when you draw on the x or y plane, okay, x, we have y, we have 0 there. We have negative 5 somewhere there, somewhere down there, minus 5.236, and we have somewhere here as negative 0.764. Then we have a 2 somewhere here. So the graph either goes, okay, it's either goes this way, goes down there, and then like that, okay, passing through 2, or it goes like this, goes like that. So which one? So you are going to test. We can test for the values of x, say x more than 2. Okay, for these values that are here, values of x going this way, let's get one of the values. We see whether it will be above by getting a positive number, or below by getting a negative number. If it is below, we're going to go with this graph. If it is above, we're going to go with this graph. Let's test. Let's create a table. Okay, let's create we're not going to create the entire table. Let's just get for x be equal to n number more than 2, 3. Okay, so that you get 3 in your given in the given quadrant, in the given polynomial. This is 3 squared plus 6, 3 plus 4. Okay, this is a positive, this is 1, this is 9 plus 18 plus 4. So all this is giving us a positive number. Okay, So we are rest assured that the graph will look like the red one here. Okay, should get a 31. Should get a 31, and then so positive 31. So it means the graph in the final analysis will look like this: x, y, 0. It's gonna look like the red one. Where is my red graph? It's gonna look like this. It's gonna go up, reduce somewhere like that. This is f of x. Then this is minus 0.7 minus 0.7 what? 64. This is minus 5.3236, and this is a 2, and this is the actual sketch that we need. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe.